YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a vlog sale, and you all may think I'm absolutely nuts after you watch this video, but I've been trying to do a little bit of what Agent Bag Reviews is challenging others to do, and Agent Bag Reviews is my friend Julie. She is using a different bag every day for as long as it takes to use them all before she buys a new bag. Well, I'm leaving out the part about not buying a new bag. I'm just trying to use bags that I've never used before. And so recently I used my Louis Vuitton Capucines BB and I absolutely loved it. I used it with the strap from the Damier Ebene Speedy 20. I don't have that bag, but I think I might kind of want it now after enjoying my monogram Speedy 20 so much. But anyway, this particular beauty was a pleasure to carry. Easy to get in and out of despite the flap. Laid against the body quite nicely, and I felt like, you know, it's pretty sturdy. Like, I don't really feel like I need to baby it as much as I thought I would, considering the price point of this bag. I also like the feeling of the handle. It feels really good. I like feeling the leather. It feels really good. I ended up noticing a couple of hairline scratches on mine on this hardware, and so I kind of custom cut my own stickers and put them over that piece there, as well as on the top of the L and the V, to protect this beauty as much as I can and keep her looking as new as possible. But anyway, I really enjoyed carrying this bag, so I thought I'm going to go ahead and carry another one of my Pinnacle bags. I've got three. I have this Capucines BB, I have my Chanel medium large classic flap, and then I have this other one. And that is this absolute stunner, my medium Lady Dior, and then the limited edition metallic micro Cannage. This bag is absolutely stunning. But when I went to put my stuff in, I think it's because it's not as squishy gushy as my other bags, and I like squishy gushy bags. And despite the fact that the Capucines is structured, it is more pliable than the Lady Dior is. This is a little harder. It is so pretty. And whenever I got this bag, I got it from Rebag, and upon receipt, I shined up the hardware and it looked virtually new. The hardware did and still does. Then I proceeded to get protective stickers from Half Deluxe in the UK. And I got these extenders from Nana Store 2018, and they match the Christian Dior shape for the clips really well and allow you to wear the bag crossbody. So I got the hardware virtually like new, protected it with stickers. I mean, look at the O. Like, a lot of people have scratches on their O because these charms bang together. The only sticker I couldn't get on was this I. I have it on one side, but not on the other. But I have a complete new set that I haven't even put on from Half Deluxe. And those cost, I don't know, anywhere between, I think, $20 and $30. But I have this brand new set that hasn't even been opened that I could put a protector on the eye. I just have not done that because it's all protected except for one side of the eye, so the other side of the eye is not going to get scratched, I don't think. But when I got this bag, it also came with, this is just crazy, came with the Rebag authenticity or whatever, the card with the barcode or whatever. It comes with the certificate of authenticity from Rebag. And then I got not only the authenticity card here, but I got the original Dior receipt. And this bag was actually purchased in Korea, made it all the way to the United States, and I got also the Dior care booklet. So I've got the authenticity card, the receipt, the care booklet, and even the little Dior envelope that it all came in. This bag has it all except for the dust bag. And you can actually find those, I think, on eBay if you want one. But if you look inside, I just stuck that care booklet in the zippered pocket. It is leather lined. A lot of the Dior bags are not leather lined. This is limited edition, and that is, I think, why it is. There is a small little scuff mark on the bottom of the leather. If I did use this, I would put some sort of an insert in it, But like I said, I'm just not inclined to use it. Only wear on this bag that I have found are some microscopic little hairline scratches. And I mean, they're like almost impossible to capture on video or on pictures. When I opened it, I really thought it was essentially like new. I think there are a couple of little hairline scratches on the inside of the handle, but a lot of the Lady Dior's have damage that is extremely noticeable, and they're still being sold on Fashion File and Rebag as in excellent condition. And I look at them, I'm like, but it has a big scuff that you can see. I don't see anything like that on this bag. I mean, the corners are amazing. It's just this beautiful shade of pale blue. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on so you can see how it works with the extenders that I got. When I initially purchased this bag, I was on the hunt to find a strap to wear it crossbody, and then I discovered these extenders, which I think are so pretty, and they add to the bling with the charms and everything. They get the bag to a really nice crossbody length. I will say though, I think this bag looks amazing with the chain strap that I've created dangling and just on the arm. It is not a huge bag at all. It's a very nice size, which you can see when you compare it to the Capucin's BB. It is really, really close in size, despite being called a medium and this being called a BB. So as you saw in my original video about this beauty, if you did see it, I paid $17.49 for this after tax from Rebag. And these started, I think, $6,500 on the Dior website, although this is limited edition, so of course it's not available anymore. And I got it for $17.49. I'm selling it to anybody who would like it shipped for $16.75. I'm doing that because if I did trade this bag in to Rebag, I could get $16.37 after the tax advantage. The reason why I would rather sell it is because they're going to just mark it up. So if you want it, you would get so much better of a deal on it if you bought it from me versus waiting for one to pop up on Fashion File or Rebag. And on Fashion File, I was looking at, and these are going for like $2,000 or more in very good condition, which with Fashion File means that it's not that great usually. It means that there's some major scuff on it if it's very good versus excellent. And sometimes even excellent condition Dior bags have a blemish that I would not find acceptable. And the fact that this has nothing like that says a lot because I'm a super picky handbag buyer. But anyhow, I really think it's beautiful. I just don't think I'm going to use it. She is a shelf ornament, which I thought would be just fine, but I am trying to use my bags. Thanks, Julie, for putting that bug in my ear. I don't know if that's a good way to say it or not. But anyway, I'm trying to use my bags, and I don't know that I'm going to use this one. If it doesn't sell, I probably won't be too sad. If it does sell, I'll probably regret it a little bit. But if you are interested, please reach out to me on Instagram or through my email. Both of those contact information details are located down in the description box as usual, so that you know you were getting me and not some spammer or scammer. But anyway, if you want her, reach out. I hope you enjoyed this up close look at this beauty. She is such a stunner. I mean, I seriously may regret it. I mean, what a deal this would be for somebody to get a $6,500 plus tax bag for $16.75 shipped. I mean, good God, it is such a pretty bag. I may really regret it, but I'm trying to use my bags and I haven't used it yet. And I've had it since, I think, April of 2023. So that would be May, June, July, August, September. That'd be 5 months and I haven't used it. I usually will move into my bags when they're new really pretty quickly, and I haven't done that here. And I thought it was because it was a Pinnacle bag and sort of a dressy bag. So I tried to dress for it and wear it, and I just didn't. So if you want her, reach out. I hope you like this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.